What's going on, guys, and welcome back to this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can get paid $12 in 30 minutes simply by watching videos, and you can earn some fast and easy PayPal money. Now, with this strategy, this is something that I came across while doing some research online. And if you're looking for a way just to earn some extra cash, like some gas money or money that you need to use for the movies or to go out to eat and all that type of stuff, then you definitely want to make sure that you check out this website that I'm going to share with you in this video. Now, one of the benefits of this website, it is a worldwide option. So anywhere in the world you are located, you can use this and you can earn some quick cash. Now, if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Linsay, and on this channel I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content. Let me share with you this website. And again, if you're just looking for a way to make some quick cash online, then you definitely want to make sure you check out this option. So the first thing that we're going to look at are the reviews. So we can see that this website has a 4.79 rating, and 97% of its users recommend this website. So you can see on here that, you know, they pay fast. It's a great site for very fast payments. So you can see on here people are actually getting paid out and they're leaving great reviews about this website. And another benefit of this website, that it has paid its members over $3 million, right? So what is the website that I'm referring to? Well, the website is called superpay.me. And as you can see here, again, just how I mentioned, it's paid its customers over $3.4 million. And it also has over 1,000 reviews on Trustpilot, and Trustpilot is a really solid source when it comes to reviews about different websites online. Now, you can also get paid out in PayPal here, Tango Card, Amazon, and Skrill, and as well as Bitcoin. Now, it's free for you to join up. You can take part of the surveys and the offers, but in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can watch videos in order to earn some money. And then again, you can get paid out in any of these options. So it's fast payments. You get paid in 24 hours. It has a low cash out threshold. You can do this working from home, and you also get a 20-cent join bonus. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on this button here, on the Join Free Today button. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you go ahead and fill out your information. You want to give your first and last name. You also want to use the best email so that way you can create your account, create a username, and create your password. You do have to insert your mailing address information here, and then also you want to choose whatever country you are in the world that you're living. And then you also want to make sure that you include a PayPal email address. If you're going to use Payza, Skrill, or even your Bitcoin, you want to include maybe like a Coinbase account or your Coinbase information here. You definitely want to make sure you include that so that way you can receive your payments. You also want to make sure that you check this box here because you have to be 18 years old over. You won't repeat offers on this particular website and things like that as well. You also want to agree to the privacy policy, and you don't have to click this here, because if you click this, that means you are agreeing to receive direct marketing emails from this website. So if you don't want to receive emails from this website, do not click the second option. And then also make sure you click here that you have read the terms and conditions. Make sure you check that you're not a robot, and then you want to create your account. Now, I have created my account here, and as you can see here, I have a 20-cent bonus because I had joined the website. So what you want to do next is you want to come over here where it says Offer Walls, and then you want to come here where it says Add Send Media. Now, once you're on here, you can see you can earn points by completing any of the offers below. So you have featured, you have free, and then you have videos. So we're going to click on videos. And then we can see they give us options to where we can watch videos about music, celebrity, best life, gaming, movie buzz, and so on. So let's click on one of these. Let's click on for music. And as you can see here, you can watch the latest music videos and earn for every video plus ad you watch. And the offer opens up in a new window. So we just need to click on this green button here, and the offer is going to come up on a new window. So now the ad is going to come up, the video that we need to watch. And while we are watching the video, you can also interact with the video. You can like it, you can share, you can send some reactions. You can also check out the rewards that you are earning while you are watching the video. So when you're doing that, that's how you're going to be able to earn with this website. Now, what you also want to do is you want to come back to the page, and you also want to go through the other offers and watch videos in order to earn some money. Now, how you'll be able to actually earn additional money is by referrals. So we come over here and we click on the referrals tab. You can see here you can earn 25% of every referral that you send to this website. So when you sign up, you'll get your referral link, your unique referral link with the username that you have created when you created your account, and this will be the link that you can use. Now, with all the free social media options out there, you can leverage social media in order to refer people to your Super Pay Me link. They can create an account here, and you'll just tell them to do the same. You'll tell them to watch videos in order to earn some extra cash. They can also earn doing the actual surveys on this website as well. And again, just how I shared with you on the actual review page, that people are actually getting paid, right? So this definitely works. So again, you just want to refer people over here. They also have different banners and things like that that you can also use for your promotions as well. And again, the more people you send over here and you refer them to this website, the more money that you can earn. Now, the one thing I want to share with you about this now, just like how I mentioned at the beginning of this video, if you're just looking to make some extra cash, just to, go to the movies or pay for some gas or whatever it is, then this is the website for you. But if you're watching this right now and you're actually looking for a long-term option to where like maybe you can quit your full-time job, just like how I did some years ago, how I was able to quit my full-time job and I've been working full-time from home ever since. If that's something that you want to do and you want to travel the world, you want to spend more time with your family and things like that, and you don't want to be glued to a computer all day making pennies, what I want to share with you is something that I am using inside of my business that's helping me to earn thousands of dollars each month with affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is where we simply promote other people's products and we earn a commission. So the seller, they already have the product created. They already deal with the customer service. The only thing that we have to do as affiliate marketers is get a lot of people, a lot of traffic to our affiliate links, just like how we would do here. But in this case, we can actually earn more per sale. So if you want to know exactly how I am doing this and the system that I'm doing this with, underneath this video in the description below, make sure you go ahead and click on that first link, and it's going to let you know more about my #1 way to earn income online. Click on that link, get that information, and learn how you can actually make more money online, and how if you want to quit your 9-to-5 job, how you can do it with this system. So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know where you're watching it in the world. Hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.